In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a day separator in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. TradingView is a powerful tool for analyzing financial markets, and one feature that can enhance your charting experience is the day separator. This feature helps delineate the trading days on your chart, making it easier to read price action over time. All right, let's jump right into the process. First, head over to TradingView. You can simply do this by opening a web browser and typing TradingView in the search bar. Once the TradingView webpage loads, look for the Charts option. This will take you directly to the charting interface where all the magic happens. Next, it's essential to select a time frame that's lower than daily, such as the 4-hour or 1-hour charts. This will allow you to see both the market movements and how the day separators would affect your analysis. Now, once your desired chart is displayed, locate an empty area on the chart. With your mouse, right-click in that space. A menu will pop up, giving you a variety of options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel, where you can adjust various features of your chart. In the Settings panel, look for the Events section. This is where you can manage specific features related to your chart events. By clicking on Events, you'll be able to modify how your chart displays session breaks, which is what we want when adding day separators. Here's where the magic happens. Find the option labeled Session Breaks and check the box to enable it. By doing this, TradingView will automatically add a separator at the end of each trading day, creating a clear visual reference on your charts. Once you've checked the Session Breaks option, click on OK to save your settings and exit the panel. If everything has gone smoothly, you should now see a distinct line separating each day on your chart. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you've successfully added a day separator in TradingView. These separators can significantly improve your chart analysis by providing clear indicators of daily trading sessions, making it easier to spot trends and price movements. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to assist you further. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!